Hi everyone, in this short clip I'm going to introduce a few tips that can help your students to spell certain words correctly. So let's start with the words meet and meet. So the first tip that I would like to introduce is to teach the words that we have the word eat in the word meet. The second one is the confusion between there and where, and let's teach our students that in there, for a place, we have the word here. As just like in where, we have the word here, and usually answer to where is there. So that's another trick. Another word that I would like to introduce is the word friend, which I don't know about you, but my students usually confuse. They confuse between writing I and E, and sometimes they don't put the E at all. So another tip to help them spell the word friend correctly is to say that the word friend ends with the word and. Okay, another confusion is writing the number 4. So we have 4 and 4. Number 4 is written with 4 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it means 4. Another confusion is between the word here and here. So we have ear in here. Another word is the word believe. So in the word believe, we have the word lie. That's how your students can never forget how to write believe, because they usually don't put this E and they confuse it. So in the word believe, we have the word lie. Another word that I would like to talk about is the word peace. And in word peace, we have the word pie. Last but not least is the word what. In the word what, we have the word hat. And it can also help your students remember them. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope that you find this video helpful and it can help your students to better spell words. Assalamu alaikum everyone.